You can be strong and still need support. For a long time, strength has been defined incorrectly. Strength was silence. What people understand strength to be is endurance. Strength was carrying everything without a breaking, especially for young people, and especially for communities where struggle has been normalized. So you need to show strength. Strength means it meant handle it. It meant figure it out. It meant don't complain. So you learn to carry. You carried expectations. You carried family pressure. You carried unspoken emotions. You carried responsibilities that came too early. And now people look at you and say, you are so strong, but they don't see the weight behind the strength. They don't see the night you overthink, the moment you feel overwhelmed, the times you wanted to say I'm not okay, the night you wanted to say you're not okay but you didn't. Here's the truth. Strength is not the absence of struggle. Strength is the ability to respond to struggle honestly. You can't be strong and still feel tired. You can't be strong and still need help. You can't be strong and still break down sometimes. Needing support does not cancel your strength, it completes it. Because even the strongest structures need reinforcements. Even the strongest people need space where they don't have to perform. So this year and every other year, let's redefine strength. Strength is asking for help before you collapse. Strength is resting before you burn out. Strength is speaking before you shut down. Strength is speaking before you shut down. You were never meant to carry everything alone. And the moment you stop pretending that you can, that's when you create space to actually heal. So my challenge this week is open up to one trusted person about something you've been carrying silently. Don't minimize it. Don't filter it. Just be honest. Just be you. Just be you. Show it. Speak to someone honestly. And maybe you can find closure. You can find that comfort. My message is very short today. Be intentional with the life you are building. Life doesn't drift into something meaningful by accident. It is built choice by choice, habit by habit, day by day. This year, it's easy to live reactively, scrolling instead of planning, responding instead of creating, yeah, drifting instead of deciding. But intentional living requires awareness. Ask yourself, what am I building right now? Does my daily life reflect my long time goals? Or am I just moving without direction? You don't need a perfect plan, but you do need purpose. Your time matters, your focus matters, your effort matters. And when you become intentional, your life gains direction. So my challenge for you this week is to write down 3 priorities for your life right now and adjust your daily actions this week. Adjust them to align with your plan. Adjust your daily actions to align with the plan you have. Stop waiting for permission. How many times have you paused your life waiting for approval? Waiting for someone to say you're ready? Please engineer the breeze a little bit, but I know you can hear me. I'll try to see if I can limit it otherwise. Pardon me, pardon the breeze, because I'm filming outside today. Stop waiting for approval. Stop waiting for someone to say you're ready. Stop waiting for someone to say you're good enough. Stop waiting for someone to say you cannot start now or you can start now. Stop waiting for the perfect timing. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Stop waiting for perfect confidence. Because perfection is a delay strategy. Many people are stuck not because they lack ability, but because they are waiting for permission to try, permission to fail, permission to grow. But here's the truth: no one is coming to approve your life. No one is coming to approve your life. You have to authorize yourself. Every successful person you admire started before they felt ready. They move with uncertainty. They learn emotion, because fear doesn't disappear before you take the action. It is when you take the action that the fear gradually diminish. Waiting keeps you safe, I know, but it also keeps you stuck. It keeps you down with fear of unknown. You don't need validation to begin. You don't need courage. All you need is for you to take the first step. Take one step towards something you've been delaying this week. Apply it. Apply for it. Start it. Create it or speak. Do it within the next 48 hours. Stop delaying. Stop. You still have the time. Use it wisely. There is a quiet pressure in 2026, a pressure to have everything figured out early, to be successful quickly, to achieve milestones on a timeline. And if you're not there yet, you feel behind. But here's the truth: you still have the time to learn, time to grow, time to restart, time to become. Being early is not a goal, alignment. Some people rush into success and burn out. They just literally burn out. Some people rush into the success and them later. Speed is not always an advantage. Clarity takes time, and it helps you when you have the right clarity. The speed is necessary because growth takes time. You're not late. You're not like you are just literally in a process. But time is not something to waste either, because every day you delay actions, you delay your progress. Every day you avoid growth, you extend stagnations. So time is a gift. I understand that, but it is also a responsibility. Time is a responsibility. Use it intentionally. Invest in yourself. Learn new skills. Build discipline, and strengthen your mindset. Because the future wants you. The future you want is built by the time you use them. So today, create a simple weekly plan. Create a simple weekly plan for how you would want to invest in your time, how you want to learn in your health, in your growth, and follow it for the next 4 weeks. Follow that plan for the next 4 weeks. That would be really amazing. Not every opportunity is meant for you. I say that again. Not every opportunity is meant for you. Engineer the birds. The birds are having fun. There are lots of it. But I'm saying not all opportunities are actually meant for you. Some opportunities are not for you. That rightly said. We live in a time where saying yes is celebrated. Say yes to the opportunity. Say yes to hustle. Say yes to being everywhere, doing everything. But no one talks enough about the power of no. Not every opportunity is aligned. Not every door is meant to be opened. Not every invitation deserves your energy. Burnout is often not caused by lack of ability. It's caused by lack of boundaries. You can be busy and still be unfulfilled. You can be active and still be misaligned, because movement is not the same as progress. For the fact you're moving, it doesn't mean you're progressing. So sometimes the reason you feel stuck is because you're committed to things that are not meant for you and that do not align with what you're meant to do. Saying yes to everything means saying no to yourself, saying no to your destiny, no to your peace, no to your priorities, no to your purpose. And I'll always say, this is something I've always said, that discernment is a skill. It's an important skill for everyone to wish and everyone should have. You have to ask, because it helps you to ask questions like, does this align with who I am becoming? Does this opportunity support my growth? Or is this just distraction dressed as an opportunity? Because everything that looks good is not good for you, and everything that is available is not assigned to you. In this season, focus matters more than access. So my challenge for you is, say no to one opportunity, one request or commitment this week that does not align with your priorities, that does not align with what you planned for, and don't feel guilty about it, because you future self